Good afternoon everyone. Today I'm here to present to you all about the Billiard Crypto. But before going into detail, I would like to give a short description about Billiard Crypto because there can be a new subscriber and also there can be a possibility to take your interest to this crypto. To begin, I would like to provide you with a brief overview of the Billiard Crypto. This is a form of cryptocurrency, guys, that's designed to make use of billiards, like use of popular game of billiards to facilitate its transaction. The idea behind it is to use the physical properties of a pool table and its balls to provide a secure and anonymous way of transfer funds. Now let me explain how it works. As you can see on the screen, guys, you see the imagination. On the right side you see some of the NFTs, and there is a maximum capacity of NFT. It's 5,000. Its NFT like circulation is 5,000. When you click the play button, you will be directed to the website, which is here. You can you see in the below part the my NFT. When you click, you will see your NFT list in here. After this, you see only solo mode is available, but it's because you can only play with solo, single, but there can be an extension in the nearest future, so you can get more detailed information by clicking the history and so on. And let's go a little bit deep. They have a vision, guys. Their vision, the blockchain is a potential future technology development environment with diverse algorithms and transparency in its operation. And also, like you see, it's written that the safety for user expansion between ecosystem is also easier. The Billiard Crypto system, guys, is a blockchain-based ledger where all transactions are stored and tracked. The ledger is maintained by a network of miners who verify the transaction and secure the network. The miners are rewarded with a portion of transaction fees for their work. So it's written that Billiards-to-earn Web3. As you observe from Web3 to from Web2 to Web3, it's moving, and it's a video game part. So billiard is a multinational game, guys. Most of the European and Asian countries have a large number of players who love it, thereby giving birth to professional players to compete in order to achieve outstanding results. So based off these feedbacks, they created this billiard crypto in a multinational game, guys. After this, as you can see on here, the roadmap of Billiard Crypto. This is the important part of this website. The phase 1 is on the December. It's the orientation part, game deploying and white paper and so on. The phase 2 will be in the January part. It will be about improving the game demo version release and pre-sale and so on. And you see the phase 3, it's on the February-March 2023. It's the marketing phase, guys. It's all about earning mechanism, apply, organization and so on. As you see, there's a phase 4, phase 5, phase 6. You can get this information from website, and the website link will be in the description. So all these are about marketing, deep launch, leaderboard tournament in the game mode, 3D game version, organization, release on App Store and so on. After this, you see the tokens. This is the official contract of these tokens. You can buy a BIC. When you click this button, you will be directed to this website. In this website, you see the different NFTs with various prices, from the lowest 0.38 BNB to the highest, which is about 2 BNB, can be 1.5 BNB and so on. You can buy this, you can afford these NFTs and play and connect your cash to Billiard Crypto. And this is also important part, guys. These are the steps to, how to begin the Billiard Crypto. You can read this information on the website, but I would like to give one advantage of this Billiard Crypto. The advantage of using the Billiard Crypto system is that it eliminates the need for a third party to verify the transaction. This also provides an additional layer of security since the transaction is not tied to any particular person or account. Furthermore, since the transactions are done on a blockchain, there is no risk of double spending or fraud. So you see these steps. It says buy Billiard Q's NFTs on its marketplace. I have showed to you the marketplace. It's written that visit website on the app and connect your wallet to the https playbilliardcrypto.com. This is their secure official cryptocurrency website. The step 3 is about go to the my NFTs to choose which NFTs Q will use. I have showed this in here, like you can claim and my NFT, you can play and in a solo version. As you observe in the here, it's written that to solo mode, step 5, step 6, and step 7. It's written that you can convert your point into tokens at the convert button in the main lobby of the game. So you see different organizations in there. It's supported by these different official organizations. That's why you can afford the NFTs to this Billiard Crypto. And the last one is of course the questions given always. For example, are all tokens locked? The question, the answers they give is all tokens will be locked for at least 1 month, guys, and vesting according to the schedule, in which LFs will be locked 365 days. There can be question about how to play the game. I have showed this, so you can like they also gave the secure HTTPS their official website to continue to play game. So it's there can be a question about does paying token reward cause inflation, guys? This is a good question. Billiard Crypto has found a deflationary solution when using the main cash flow from the project's revenue to reward players. The traders will have to pay transaction fees and they are provided to the reward pool. There's also be sponsorship fees from brands when they want to promote on our game. And there can be this kind of question like what blockchain will the project release? Billiard Crypto will release on the first BSG platform because it's good and optimal for consumers. When the project develops stably, there will be plans to expand to other platforms such as Polygon, Solana, and ETH layers. Thank you for time, and guys, and I look forward to any question or comments that you may have.